I don't joke with my uncle. All my help come from my uncle. Let's go. I don't need to remember this of my uncle. This is my only uncle.
This is not ordinary partners. This was caused by a lady.
Yes, prophet, you are right. Eh? You are right, prophet. You can see.
Your friend took a lady. That is why he's like this.
Hi. So, prophet, what are we going to do now? Why we are here is we are looking for a solution. That is why his friend, who showed much concern, asked us to come here. I believe in you that you can resolve this case. Please, prophet, please come. Help my uncle. Help my uncle.
Stand up, stand up.
I love my uncle very much. Please, prophet.
Stand up.
Stay now. We are the prophets now. Your case will be handled. You will be here. Please, prophet, do something. Prophet, do something. Prophet, please. I don't joke with this, my uncle. He's the only help I have.
Jeremiah 15 said, the Lord said to me, even if Moses and Samuel came to you, I will not forgive them. But for his sake, he will forgive you. The Lord will have mercy on you.
Amen.
Lady in question.
The lady.
Yes.
Prophet, you have come again. The lady that refused to forgive my uncle. We have plead and plead time without number. For her to forgive my uncle, she refused. She said she needs 50%. And how can my uncle produce that 50% with this situation? Okay, I told her, okay, let my uncle be him. So that we are running around to get the 50%. She insists. Okay, now that I don't have access to my uncle account, I don't have access to my uncle's ATM pin. So how will I generate such amount of 50%? Please, prophet.
I understand your pain. And I also understand her pain. If it's you, you will do more than this. Your uncle was so greedy that I smell greed, a lot of greed of me. The lady in question is very, very angry. But I believe if she sees me, she will forgive me. The Lord is my light and my salvation. I will fear no one. I will never be afraid. So don't be afraid of anybody. Don't be afraid. My uncle will be fine.
I trust you. I believe in you. So, prophet, you are giving us assurance that my uncle will be healed.
If you have faith, your uncle will be healed.
For my uncle friend to bring you from far distance, based on my uncle case, I believe that my uncle will be healed.
Your uncle's heart is full of wickedness. Your uncle's heart is full of wickedness.
But if I may ask, prophet, is it based on the 50% of the money, or is it because of the lady love my uncle and my uncle did not have interest on her? Because there are two things involved.
I always speak what the Lord revealed to me. The Lord revealed to me that He's greedy.
Because I was not there when the whole thing happened. So based on what the lady said, so I don't even know if you want to hold her. She's talking about 50%.
I only hear about money. Your uncle did business with her. Money.
Prophet, you can see very well.
Money.
Hey!
Money.
Hey! Please, prophet. I know you can do this. Please. Because of my uncle's illness, I could not be able to do anything. I'm even stranded. All my help comes from my uncle here. It is my uncle that is funding me, helping me out. So how will my help come if my uncle is not being here? Please, we are giving you assurance. Now, please let me can give you assurance that once my uncle is here, in fact, whatever you want, we give it to you.
Prophet, what is the solution to it? Is there no solution? Is there no
We need remedy. We need remedy.
The only solution now is for us to get the question.
Okay, if that be the case, I'm still insisting about according to the word of the prophet, he is the seer. He sees beyond human imagination. So we go. I will direct you to the place where the lady we used to see her.
Nobody is stubborn. Nobody is stubborn when it comes to conscience. Nobody is stubborn when the Lord intervenes.
All like that. Just for my own sake. I don't joke with my uncle. He's the only uncle I have. Please. Prophet, do something. Do something.
There is a lot to say.
Prophet.
There is a lot to say. Come on now. Well, first day tomorrow morning, we'll go and see her.
Prophet,
I will keep him in my altar.
okay, we should keep it in your church.
Yes, keep him in my church.
Okay, prophet.
That people there to take care of.
Okay, prophet.
First day tomorrow morning, we'll go and see the lady.
Okay, prophet.
I believe if she see me, she will forgive me.
I believe in you, prophet. So let's take him now, so that let's keep him inside the church according to what the prophet said. Let's keep him inside so that tomorrow, let's go. I don't need the remedy to my uncle.
That will be fine.
I don't need the remedy. My uncle cannot just go like this now. Prophet, thank you. God bless you.